Oh my god, not the emergency alert system. I gotta turn up the volume real quick.
14 years old, girl, white. Last seen in Kitchener on if observed call 911 https://amberalert.com.
Did you see that, Umi?
Yeah?
There's an emergency alert system. Oh my god. That really scared the hell out of me. I believe it's an Amber Alert. I don't know what the heck why. And the message goes again.
I know, right? And besides, I really don't understand the French language. But I was thinking that the Waterloo Regional Police investigates missing children. Dang it. These Amber Alert alarms won't stop.
Ontario Amber Alert in effect. The Waterloo Regional Police Service have requested an Amber Alert on August 5th, 2024. Victim 1 Conlon Kaylee, 14 years old, girl, white. Last seen in Kitchener on if observed call 911.
Hopefully, I wish that the TV will be back to regular program when the Amber Alert is officially over.
You know what? I'm gonna just end this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.